Hi there, this is Justin with Goodland Plumbing. Today's day is Thursday, September 17th, 2024. Right now it's about 10:50 a.m. We are here at 2559 Puesta del Sol for the Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History. This is going to be our second recording today. Our first recording was going from the same cleanout we are currently in. I believe we were only able to get out originally about 10 to 15 feet where we located a large root intrusion. The second recording is after jetting and cable snaking the root intrusion out. We were then able to get out 30 feet to our tie-in to the lateral main running parallel to the creek. Right now we're going to be pulling back against flow towards our cleanout. This section right here is 4-inch clay. Going back here to around 17 feet out, we transitioned from clay to, I believe, cast iron. Pulling back here around 10 feet out, we have a Y tie-in. This Y is coming from the cleanout located just past the boulder on our right-hand side at the corner of the facilities building. Right around here in this zone, previously we had a good amount of roots growing in. Right here about 7 feet out, I believe, is where they started growing in and had pretty much ran down the length of the pipe. As you can see, there is still a pretty decent root ball. I believe right here about 7 feet we are also transitioning from cast to possible Orangeburg. As you can see at the top of the pipe, looks like those roots are still growing in and even caving in part of the pipe too. Pulling back here to around 4 feet, we transitioned from Orangeburg to ABS for a cleanout. Right here at this transition point, there were also a pretty large amount of roots, which we were able to clear mostly out by snaking and jetting. Here we're coming up out of our cleanout. This right here is our 4-inch ABS cleanout. Just on the other side of this boulder in the corner of the facilities building is our separate cleanout where we had our Y tie-in at. This line is pretty much running from this cleanout straight out towards this first tape mark where we had that first big root intrusion growing in at. The line then continues further down where we tie into our lateral running parallel towards the creek, a little bit further down by the end of the jetting hose. It's going to be the end of our second recording.